Hi there, welcome to episode 78 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be showing the basic chords to Pachelbel's Canon in D. Some people know it as Pachelbel's Canon. It's probably the most famous classical piece of all time, I think. We've all heard it, probably at a wedding or something similar, some other event like that. And playing through the basic chords is a nice way to kind of learn basic fingerstyle and to work on your technique as you're shifting between chords. There's a lot of subtleties. And just in playing through the chords regularly that I think are really useful. So I'll be playing it in the key of D, which is the original key. It's called the Canon in D. So the chords are D major, and for this I am using my ring finger. Some fingerstyle players don't use a ring finger, but I think it's important to use it. So every chord here is just the thumb followed by index, middle, and ring finger. So the D chord followed by the A, by B minor, using a bar chord, then F sharp minor, then G major, then D major, G major again, ending with A major. Okay. So let me just play through those just so you can, I'm sure you've heard this, just so you can recognize that and just see how this basic thing goes. And the goal through all this is to have each note ring as long as possible. And so when you switch chords, it's really important to try to let your notes hang out as long as they can. When you switch quickly and very smoothly. So there's a D, A major, B minor, F sharp minor, G major, D major, G major, A major. When you switch, as I've mentioned before in other lessons, just try to get your bass note, the finger playing the bass note there first before your other fingers, just so you can try to let the other ones ring out. Even if that means, like with the second chord, moving from the D to the A, you can let your thumb, your right hand thumb, hit the A note before you switch, just so you can let that D ring out. Okay? Now when it's time for your B minor, you do have to pick up all your fingers, but let that A go as long as possible. Then hit the B. And again, when you're shifting from the B minor to the F sharp minor, you can let that B minor ring out even as you hit that F sharp. And very smoothly go to the G. Then while the D is ringing out, hit the open D string. While that's ringing out, hit the G string. I'll play it without just 3 open strings for the G. While that's ringing out, hit the A note for the open A string, for the A open chord. Okay. And the whole time, just think about letting each note ring out as long as possible. You want every note to have the same volume and strength, and have it be just completely even. It's beautiful chords, and even without playing the melody, people will recognize the song. I'm sure you'll recognize the song, and I find it really enjoyable to play through the chords. It is just a beautiful tune. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions below, and thanks for watching, as always.